Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Now grammar work going on. I hope you have written up to chapter 4. Unit 5 verbs. We go as per semester 2. So direct we start unit 6. Adjectives and comparison. What is adjective? An adjective is used to describe a noun or a pronoun. It answers the questions whose, what kind, which one, how many or how much. So adjective means they add meaning on noun or pronoun. Here given example, my brother is standing alone. Whose brother? So my. So we understand brother is a noun. So add meaning on noun. Whose brother? My brother. Second example, the big elephant trumpeted loudly. What kind of element means big elephant? So they add meaning on noun. They add meaning on noun. Elephant is a name of animal. Understand no bacche? This car belongs to Mr. Stephen. Which car means this car. So, you understand bacche. The words used to describe a noun or pronoun. They add meaning in noun or pronoun. It's called adjectives. In a sentence, an adjective can be placed at 3 places. Before a noun, a beautiful house, an honest boy. So we put before noun. Second, after the various forms of the verb, means to be verb form, is, am, are, was, were, been and being. Manani is tall. She is fat too. Here after is they put tall. It's a adjective. She is fat. So after is they put adjective as a fat. So we can put before noun and after to be verb form as adjective. After verbs like look, seem, grow, feel, etc. This look strange. She seems happy. So after main verb we can put the adjectives. I will explain difference between helping verbs and main verbs. Helping verb means do, does, did, am, is, are, verb, was, were, etc. Main verb, action words, to look, to sing, to write, to read. Here they mention after verbs like look, seem, grow, feel, etc. Okay, bacche? So we go as per our exercise A. Circle the suitable adjectives in the following sentences. First one. My brother saw a strange animal that looked like a dinosaur. So, bacche, correct answer I underlined. You can see in PDF also. Okay, bacche? Saurabh is so obedient that all the teachers love him. Naughty students love? No. Obedient students teachers love them. The tamarind chutney was so sour. Do you like, no students? Tamarind, katti katti imli. The modest athlete gave all the credit to his two coaches. Their two coaches. I forgot to underline बच्चे. So you do two coaches. Okay बच्चे. Third one. The flowers. Sorry बच्चे. Fifth one. The flowers in the vase were real. So बच्चे complete this exercise. A definition of an adjective with two examples. Now we go as per types of adjective. First one, adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quality tells us about the quality of something. They answer the question, what kind? There were white swans in the lake. Swans, but how white? So mention here what kind of this noun or pronoun. The Gwalior fort in Madhya Pradesh is very beautiful. What kind of this fort? Beautiful. So adjectives of quality means about the quality of something. So बच्चे, this year given exercise B, puzzle. So you have to first underline the adjectives of quality. First one, the kite runner is an interesting. So we have to put its opposite this word adjective. Interesting means boring. Second one, what can children do to help poor? Poor opposite rich. Third one, beautiful. Its opposite ugly. Fifth one, thick. Its opposite thin. Down given first one, heavy, light, sharp, blunt. So up to exercise B, you have to complete in your notebook. I hope you finish that much exercises in your fair book, and I understand every day in every video I give homework. So finish बच्चे, write down with me. I send PDF and we will see further exercises in our next video. So बच्चे, take care, stay home.